Infor CloudSuite Industrial is an advanced, highly flexible solution offering companies the functionality needed to compete in today's highly complex global environment. Customer service is a critical role for a manufacturing company, and Claire Summers requires fast and easy access to information about her customers and the ability to quickly create quotes and estimates and turn those into orders. Claire starts her day on her customer service homepage. She has access to key information about her customers, their orders, pricing, shipments, and more. Claire can tailor her homepage to show whatever is critical for her job. Claire decides to check on her alerts and tasks from her activity feed. From this collaboration page, Claire can see all the coworkers that she connects with and all of the communications in process. She sees one message in particular from Cole Randall. He wants her to look into the status of an order for a forklift for Stevenson Sporting Goods. Claire sees that Cole attached a dashboard report for reference. Claire could drill into the opportunity from here, but decides to look into Stevenson using the Customer 360 in CloudSuite Industrial. As a customer service person, Claire has access to all of the information about her customer all in one place. From the drop-down list, Claire selects Stevenson Sporting Goods to look into more information and details about the company. From the company detail, she can ask information about credit, payment history, or accounts receivable. Under accounts receivable, she can see Stevenson's balance due in aging buckets. From CRM, Claire can drill into specific information with regards to contacts, interactions, leads, and opportunities she has with Stevenson. From the sales section, Claire can access orders, quotes and estimates, projects, or even contracts with her customer. Claire sees that there is still an open quote for Stevenson. Drilling into the details for quote number 32, Claire can see that there's a note attached to this particular order, highlighted in the header. The note says that her company is waiting for Joseph Miller at Stevenson for the final specs for the forklift. Claire gets Joe from Stevenson on the phone to walk through the details of their quote. Joe, hi, good morning. This is Claire Summers. Would you like to finalize the configuration of your forklift? Excellent. I can walk you through configuring the forklift now, or you can go online and use the online portal and configure it on your own. Okay, we can do it together. First up is, what is the capacity you're looking for? 5,000 pounds, diesel fuel, high performance battery, got it, 48-inch fork length, and Z-pattern tires. Now, how about some options? Safety features? Okay, you want the LED lights, and you want to know what the price of those options are? Those LED lights are at $40 a piece. Well worth it from a safety perspective. Okay, we now have swivel seats or joystick controls. Sure, I can add the swivel seat. You then want keyless ignition, okay. And you also want the barcode scanner, great choice. The final price now is $44,778. Okay, I think we're now done. Let me take a look at the proposal and send you a formal response. Okay, yes, everything looks fine here. Let me email this out to you. Is there anything else you need today? All right, let me know when you are ready to convert this quote into an order, Joe. Claire can then move back to her homepage and move on with the rest of the work for her day. Claire utilized CloudSuite Industrial to manage her day in customer service by accessing key information about her customers and assisted them through the guided selling process to configure, price, and quote a forklift, all through an easy-to-use browser user experience. To learn more about Infor CloudSuite Industrial's comprehensive manufacturing capabilities, visit infor.com.